Alright guys, so you have seen tons of Benks cases on my channel before, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Armor Air lineup for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, this is probably the best minimal case that you can get for the iPhone 16 Pro Max because of all types of different factors. 1, excellent MagSafe. 2, excellent color choices. And 3, they just have a ton of different options. Now, huge shout out to Benks for sending all these cases over to me to review for you guys. The prices on them range from $39.99 to $52.99. And all links are down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourself. You can use code Brian15, which I'll leave right here, as well as down in the description below, and it'll save you 15% off of your entire purchase. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, they all pretty much come in a few different kinds of boxes. One is like this, and one is just like this, which, by the way, I'm actually going to be giving this case away. This is the Armor Air Aurora, brand new, completely still sealed. I'm going to be giving this one away. Rules are down in the description below. How you can enter to win this one case for yourself. So taking a look at the packaging, it just says protective phone case here. Built with DuPont Kevlar. This is the 600D version. This is the original one. We'll look at all of them. It is made for the 16 Pro Max and a little more information there. So basically, you just kind of pop it out of here. This is all you get in the packaging. So we'll go ahead and set that off to the side and let's take a look. Now, this one is going to be that 600D Kevlar, and you are getting an aluminum camera ring here. Now, the back on this specific one is not too textured on the original 600D one. I would like to see the back of this be a little bit more textured. It has a slight bit, but not too much. And this is also going to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. So if that bothers you, this may be something to note, but there's other options here for you. Now, taking a look at the inside, you are going to get that MagSafe magnet ring here, as well as your alignment magnet, built with DuPont Kevlar, and you just get that aramid fiber material that goes all the way around the phone. So let's actually go ahead and weigh this case, and then we'll see how thick it is. So we'll start off with the scale, and we're gonna weigh all of them real quick. That way you guys can see what they look like. So the original 600D, we're looking at 27 grams. Next, let's bring over the Montage Armor Air. That's going to be 28 grams. Let's go ahead and bring over the GoldenTide. 28 grams. The Aurora, 29 grams. Then the Passion Green, 32 grams. So this is going to be the heaviest one of them all. And then we'll bring over the Armor Tint. Now, this is not an Armor Air, this is the Armor Tint, and I'll let you guys know a few of the key differences here in a few minutes. So this one is going to be 27 grams. Now, basically, all of them are going to be between 27 and 32 grams, and they're all going to be about the same thickness, which let's go ahead and take a look right here. We'll go from the front to the back, and we are looking at 9.7 millimeters, and the thickness of the case itself, you are looking at about 1.7 millimeters. So they're all going to be about the same thickness. I'm not going to measure the thickness of all of them. You can look on Benks' website, which of course is linked down below, but they're about the same thickness, plus or minus a decimal or 2 millimeters. So pretty much all the same thickness. You literally do not feel the difference between the thickness from one to the other. They all feel like they weigh the same, and they all feel like they are the same thickness. So let's go ahead and bring over the original here. We'll take our 16 Pro Max, fit it in here, and I'm going to try to run through these kind of quickly as I can just because we have so many of them to run through. Now, taking a look at the fit, you are going to get that very nice fit going all the way around, which all of these cases are pretty much going to fit the same. You pretty much get zero movement. Now, taking a look at those corners, now this one specific original one here doesn't have the best corners. It is fairly easy to get off. However, some of these other ones that we're going to be taking a look at fit a good bit better. Now, this is going to be a super minimal case, so it's not going to give you really any protection or anything like that, but I would just like to see the original version fit a little bit better. Now, of course, you're not going to get any screen protection on this case, and you're going to get some camera ring protection, which is actually a pretty good camera ring right there. So you can definitely set this down on just about any surface on its back, and you'll be good to go. And of course, this is going to wobble a lot because you just get that camera ring right there. So this is what the original 600D looks like. And let's go ahead and bring over the Montage now, and we'll see how this fits here. So we'll go ahead and put that in. And this one has much better corners. So you definitely don't have to worry about these corners coming off if you were to drop the case. Now, this is not going to offer you any drop protection, none of these cases. However, I do want to tell you guys a quick little story. Last weekend, I was using my phone in the Armor Air Aurora, and I was walking in a parking lot to get to my car. Now, I'm 6 feet tall, so just for reference, I was walking to my car. I had my phone about at this level, standing all the way up, and I dropped it. I dropped it on concrete right next to where my car was parked. And this is actually the Armor Air Aurora that I was using. Now, my phone suffered no damage whatsoever, but the case actually took the entire impact. If you guys can see right there, some over here on this end, a little bit of chipping right there. The camera ring got a little bit of chipping, but my phone, some on the back here actually, all around, it got pretty good drop on it. Like I said, it dropped in a parking lot. And this thing actually protected my iPhone 16 Pro Max. 0 scratches, 0 cracks, no problems at all. The phone still looks brand new. So, I don't say that there's any drop protection, but that was really cool to see that I dropped my phone. As soon as I dropped it, I knew the camera was done. I knew the back of it was shattered because it fell right on its back. But I was walking, so it actually flew out and tumbled a little bit, but it did fall on its back. No issues at all. So I'm not going to say that there's drop protection, but just take my situation into account. This is a super minimal case, and it actually, from about, let's say, 4 or so feet, because, I wasn't holding it all the way up at the top of my head. I was holding it just normally how you would hold your phone. It fell, no problems with my phone. So that's really cool to see, and I really like that. Basically, that's what you're looking at with all these cases. Now, this one is going to have a little bit more texture between the 600 and 1500D, which is the only case that they offer. The Montage is the only one they offer that has that mixture of both of them. Now, this one's a little bit more difficult to take off, so that's actually really good with these minimal cases. That's how you know it's not just going to fly off of your phone. So let's bring over the one that's actually my favorite right now, and that's the GoldenTide. So let's put the phone in here and see how it looks. Now, all of these are going to have the same MagSafe strength going all the way around, except for the Armor Tint, which we will talk about in a second. Let's check out that MagSafe. We'll start off with the Apple MagSafe battery pack. Attach that. There's our animation. And yeah, this thing's not going anywhere. So you can absolutely bet that these cases are going to be leather and fine woven wallet approved. Benks has some of the best MagSafe on the market. Their MagSafe is really, really good, and the Armor Air is absolutely no different. Now bringing over our Apple MagSafe battery pack. Oh, drop that. Attach that. And shake it, shake it. This thing is not coming off at all. So you're going to be absolutely good to go with your Apple MagSafe or other MagSafe battery packs. Now let's go ahead and bring over the Anker 623. And you can definitely pick it up, but a little bit of a shake is going to make that come off. So it's not going to necessarily pick up all of your MagSafe mounts or anything like that, but nobody's doing that. This is just for me to show you guys. But let's go ahead and try on a different one here, and we'll just see. Let's go back to the Montage Armor Air, and we'll just see how the MagSafe strength with the Anker 623 on this one is. Now, one thing I wanted to point out, and this is the case with most of these cases, is that this corner right here is a little bit too tight to get on. So what I do is I just kind of put my finger through it and then click it on there, but it's definitely not going anywhere, and I haven't had any issues of it scratching any of the corners of my phone. I've put on all, as you guys can see, all of these cases multiple times, testing them and everything like that, and have no scratches on the sides or the corners of my phone. So looking at this one, let's just see how the MagSafe is with this, and it's actually a lot better. So the ones that are not textured as much on the back, kind of like the Montage or the regular, are going to have that better MagSafe because there's really no texture getting in the way. So they are going to have a little bit better MagSafe. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Armor Tint. So the differences here are this one is very textured. You're getting a plastic or polycarbonate camera ring, and the magnets are going to be a little bit different. So the magnets on all the Armor Airs are 11N, and these are 7N. So let's go ahead and just check out that MagSafe strength here. Still a super tight fit on there. Everything is very nice with the Armor Tint. All 4 corners have a nice click on them, so that's nice. And let's just check out the MagSafe with this one, and it's going to offer you pretty good MagSafe on here. This may actually be the best MagSafe on all of their cases. and it's not as expensive as the other ones. Now this one is going to be $45.99, and it's also made out of 1000D Kevlar. So not 600, not 1500. This is right there in the middle at 1000. And this one might be the best MagSafe strength out of all of them. So that is definitely something to note. It's not the most expensive. It's not the cheapest one, but if you don't care about having the plastic camera ring and you still want that super strong MagSafe, the Armor Tint may be the one to go, and it's the one that's going to give you a few different colors, whereas all these other ones, you kind of have to select that specific model. This one's going to come in 3 different colors, so that's always nice to see. Now, let's just check out the MagSafe on here real quick. Go ahead, I don't know why. There's our animation. And this is some serious MagSafe on here. With that, bringing over our Apple MagSafe wallet. I mean, yeah, guys, this one may be the one to go for, honestly, because this is going to have super nice texture all the way around. It's not really going to show a lot of fingerprints. Obviously, I didn't check out the buttons on any of them just because they are completely open, but let's just look around the sides real quick. Starting off with the top, you are completely closed in. On the left-hand side, closed in except for where your buttons are. You do have this grip going all the way up and down. On the bottom, you have your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as a wide open USB Type-C port, which all of your thicker head cables will fit in here with no issues, especially with how thin that is. And then on the right-hand side, you are closed in except for your 2 buttons here. The camera control obviously is very easy to access with no problems at all. We'll go ahead and take a little picture. No issues. Everything is just fine. All the buttons are super easy to access, so I'm not really paying too much attention to those. There are no sharp edges or corners or anything. It may look like it, but these are actually very nicely refined. The cases all feel very, very good in the hand. They're not pinky destroyers. You can hold them. They're all pretty grippy except for the original 600D one, so that is something to note. If you want a little bit more grip, I would go for any of the other ones, but all in all, the Benks Armor Air, the Benks Armor Tint, all of Benks cases are really, really good. And I can absolutely recommend the Armor Air and the Armor Tint for the 16 Pro Max. Now, this one's not so much of a traditional one of my reviews because there's so many of these cases. I didn't want this video to be 45 minutes long, sitting here and testing every single one and all that. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many of them as I can. I have all these cases. I can tell you the thicknesses, whatever you need to know. But all that information is also on Benks' website. They are almost all the same, but all of them are very, very nice cases. So if I was to rank them between which ones are my favorite and which ones are not, let's go ahead and see. We'll bring them all over here. So starting off with my personal favorite, I'm going to go with the GoldenTide. This is going to be my number 1. Okay. Number 2 is going to be the Aurora. Number 3 is going to be the Montage Armor Air. Number 4 is actually going to be the Armor Tint. Even though it's not an Air, the Armor Tint is going to be my number 4. Number 5 is the Passion Green, and number 6 is going to be the original. And this is honestly just based on the design of them. That is my favorite design out of all of these. Now, if this one was a little bit more textured, the Montage Armor Air, and if they got rid of this Montage art right here, this would be my number 1 because I just really like the all black stealth look. But yeah, guys, that's my order. Let me know what you think about all of these cases down in the comments below. I'm curious, do you have any? Have you ever tried any of them? The Armor Tint is one of their newest ones, and I've been really liking it, so I want to know what you guys think. Again, links are down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourselves for all of these. Make sure you use that code Brian15, as well as enter in for that giveaway to win the brand new Armor Air Aurora. It's not going to be this one. It's the one that's sealed in the packaging over here. I'm really excited for one of you guys to get it. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a very long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you guys. And if you want to see another excellent minimal style case, but that's going to offer you a lot of protection, I'll leave that video right there. If you guys want to see the Benks Armor Pro, which is their more protective style cases, but also in a lot of these designs, that video is right here.